just gonna be a quick live this morning. I'm gonna show you about the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice. Here it is. I got it right here. We're gonna make a nice lovely cup of tea this morning. You know what I mean? We're not gonna be long with the live. We're gonna be a very quick one this morning. So just tune in, relax, and watch this on an amazing episode with Chef Ricardo this morning. Big up the Instagram audience who take the time and supporting Chef Ricardo. Oliver, big up yourself on Instagram. Thank you so much. Matt, big up yourself. Bless up yourself. All of love and respect from Chef Ricardo this morning. I'm back in the kitchen with another episode with you guys to say, listen, man, if you don't get this, you don't need to get it. Here it is. Alright. So this is what's gonna happen this morning. I'm gonna be showing you exactly what you guys need to do this morning in the kitchen. Alright. I'm already boiled my kettle, but sometimes it's just nice to drink something totally in the morning different, and this is where Chef Ricardo come in and decide to fill the gap. Alright, so big up every one of you guys who take the time and I watch the video right now. Let me just get me because as I said, that video is not gonna be a long video, it's gonna be a very quick video this morning from Chef Ricardo. Alright, beautiful one. Here it is. I have this container right here with me, and I'm gonna simply show you how to do this one. But the beautiful thing about this, look at this. Let me just make sure you guys can see what I'm going. As you can't even drop in on this camera one we see now it's expensive. Look at this. Alright. So that look nice? This is fantastic and amazing, guys. You need to have this. So basically, if you want to get this, the link will be in the description box, or you can get a hold of this. Go over to the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website and you can get your one for buy. Alright? It is simple to make, guys. It's not too complicated to make, and trust me, you can make this at home. So you have to take your time and go over to the website and try and make it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using this one right here and make it for you. Alright? So basically, all you're gonna do is get a tablespoon of it and put it straight inside of it, just like this. Alright, let's get a little bit more inside of it, just like that. Alright, fantastic. So once you do that, trust me, guys, it is a beautiful drink, 100%. You know what I mean? It's a relaxing drink where you can drink it in the morning when you wake up, you know what I mean, or during the day. You know what I mean? You have a lot of people who love to sit down in the backyard and read some book or something. So this is for you, you know what I mean, for you to drink during the day. Alright, guys, so yeah, why not enjoy the recipe? It's a simple one, guys. Just relax and just take it easy at the moment with Chef Ricardo. Alright, don't bother to stress yourself and say, well, Chef Ricardo go on another day with. Alright, just take it easy. I'm just gonna simply show you exactly how to. Alright, one of the first, guys. Let me just get the sugar. I need to get some sugar. Guys, the sugar is important, alright? I have to get some sugar right here. Because you see the peach drink, I love it, man. It's nice. I drink it many times. Just a second, guys. I get some sugar. Where we're gonna use a little bit of sugar. You can use honey instead of sugar, alright? So if you want to use it, the sugar. Yeah, man, Peach Groves, man, big up. It's just, oh yeah, I find the sugar. Nice one. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna simply say to you, all I'm gonna do is just fill up this with some hot water, just like this. Alright, trust me, it's a very easy one this morning from Chef Ricardo. It's nothing too complicated. It's just me saying, let me just share the beautiful recipe with you guys this morning. And I know you guys definitely gonna love this one. Alright, so if you want to get the peach grove right here in a dream, go over to the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice, or you can follow them on Instagram and you can get it for buy. Alright, it's a beautiful drink and I will encourage you guys to get it. Alright, we got a different one right here also. I don't even open this one yet, still sealed same way. Alright, this one, I did this one the other night. Trust me, it was amazing and fantastic. Alright, look at that. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo. Trust me. These are, and this one, it is the the mint sensation. The mint sensation is for the ladies them who like to do the sensation. Alright? Big up all of the ladies them who take the time and do that. Alright? So yeah, if you want to get this one, just go over to the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Here it is, Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. Alright? Go over, get it, and you know what I mean, sort out your thing. If you use the code Chef Ricardo, you get a 20% discount price. Alright? So big up all of the people them who take the time and to support one another. Alright guys, it's very important to do that. Alright? It's very, very, very important to, you know what I mean, support our one another. So as you can see, so this is what you want to do. You have to jar it. Alright guys, so basically for you to do this one, I didn't even see this picture. Look at this picture. You know what I mean, real authentic Jamaican style. Listen up. Yeah. You know in time, you know what I mean, when they go to the bush and carry they like a basket on them head with some orange or with some mango, you know what I mean, grandmother style. You know what I mean? But trust me guys, it is fantastic guys. Look at that. It's fantastic. It is beautiful. And you know what I mean, I would encourage you guys to just to pop over, you know what I mean, and support the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. Alright? Big up the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. So as you can see, so once you do this guys, you just leave it for a couple of minutes in the water and make it dissolve into it. Be your herbs in it guys, as you can see, with the peach grubs, alright? Be your herbs in it. Look. Don't get it wrong, it's not Jamaican one. Alright. But to be honest, that video, I do not want to keep that video too long this morning guys. I just want to just quickly show you exactly. Because a lot of people were saying to me, Chef Ricardo, how can I make this one? And I said, okay, don't worry yourself, I will show you. Don't worry guys, I will show you. Here it is, this morning. You understand? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it. I'm going to strain it, alright? So you just want to run it through your strainer. Alright, so I'm going to run it through the strainer like this. Once you run it through the strainer, you just want to do a thing like this. And squeeze out that liquid out of it. You know what I mean? Look at that. And you can't put too much in it, you know. Don't make it too strong, guys. It's a relaxing drink, you know. It is a relaxing drink. It's not something where you want, you know what I mean? It's something where you just relax and drink. Alright? That's where it is at the moment. It's a relaxing drink. Yeah, man. Then what you want to do, pour it back into your cup because I strain it. So basically what you do now, you know, you have a lot of people who wake early in the morning and like to have a nice lovely cup of tea before they go to work. This is for you. Trust me. I know exactly what I'm talking about. 100%. Alright? You have a lot of people that like to wake early in the morning and have a nice lovely cup of tea. So basically I'm going to be using some dark brown sugar, soft brown sugar, and put it inside of it. You don't have to use sugar, you can use sweetener or honey. Alright, but because I'll tell you how to make it. Because in moderation you have to take a little bit of every little thing sometimes. But me personally, I don't like too much sugar. Nice one. That is lovely. That's all you're going to do guys. That's it. Alright, and as I say, I do not want to keep the video too long. I just want to just quickly do this one to show you. But after I'm going to be doing my juice. So check me out on my juice bar channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Yeah, but as I can see, here it is. And because I'm going to be drinking this right now and I don't want to get too cold. So big up on yourself, all your love and respect. Matt, big up yourself, big up every one of you guys if I didn't call your name. Chef Ricardo still love you. Big up on yourself. Sometimes I don't like to call out other people's name, but I think YouTube have a strict rules on that, you know. I don't know why. You know what I mean? But anyway, big up on yourself, all your love and respect from Chef Ricardo. You guys have a lovely day. And you know what I mean, as I said, if you want to get the drink, you know where to go. On the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Check out their website and trust me, a lot of stuff over there guys. So please check out Chef Ricardo on my YouTube channel and also on my Instagram, hashtag Chef Ricardo Cooking. And you know what I mean, as I said, here it is. It's beautiful guys. You can get this one. Alright. Hey, big up yourself. MR. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Big up yourself. What if I love and respect. Anyway guys, I'm gonna be doing another video on my juice this morning, you know what I mean, with my juice here. Big promotion on the apple juice. Alright, so Eddie, big up yourself. Thank you so much, man. Big up yourself. Whole heap of love and respect, man. A member of the YouTube channel. MR, you need to join. Congratulations on the 1 million. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Please, guys, please join me upon the next episode. Alright, we got the next episode which I need to do, and that episode is very important. Alright, that juice, I need to go over and do that juice right now. The juice is gonna be apple and orange, so check it out on the next episode. Alright, I'm not gonna keep the video any more longer. Yeah, so guys, please follow me on my YouTube channel, on my IG, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright, please follow me. Alright, and as I said, please go over to the Instagram and follow Chef Ricardo. Alright, but remember, I'm still giving away these plastic container. Here them is. A lot of people like to use fork and stuff and wooden what do you call the next one? What name again? Like, you know, you buy a pot and you don't want to scrub your pot. This will be given away very soon. Alright? To be honest with you guys, I get about 50 of these to give away on my YouTube channel. To give away, you know, 50 of these plastic container right here. One for egg, one for lift up stuff, one for taste things. So all you have to do is go over to my Instagram and hashtag with about 10 people with you, and you can be able to win one of these. Alright? We will send it to you. Even underneath the earth, as I said before, Ryan Mail will deliver it down to you. Alright? So you don't have to worry yourself. Alright? So you might see it looks so simple, but trust me, these little plastic things out there really handy at home, because it prevents you not to scrub your brand new pot where you buy. And that's why I only use wooden spoon. If you notice, I have a lot of wooden spoon, and I also have plastic one where I use to like this. Understand? Because then do not scrape up your pot. Alright? Alright guys, so big up on yourself, whole heap of love. Go over to the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice and get your drink. Yeah, do a purchase, guys. Support them, guys. You understand? Here it is. Beautiful and nice, and trust me, 100%. Yeah, very healthy, and the ingredients is so simple, and you know what I mean. Yeah, so check them out, guys. 100%, you can check them out. All right, beautiful and nice, really sealed up properly, good, very good container, so you don't have to worry yourself. All right, yeah. But anyway, thank you so much for your time watching, and stay tuned in and stay blessed, and I will see you with another video in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Alright, you guys have a lovely day and look after yourself. 100% from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright, yeah.